Alright, so yeah, asked me to show you how to make the ringtone thingamajiggy. So first you want to go to like Music or YouTube. It has to be one of those apps. It doesn't matter which one you use, but I'm going to use Music because that's where I have all my songs. So you choose the song you want to do. Okay, so ignore Carmelo yelling in the background. But anyways, you're going to go to like the share button and press copy. So it copies the link to your thingamajiggy. And then you're going to go to your Safari and you're going to look up this website. It's like Y2 something something, but if that doesn't work, you can go to like YouTube to MP3 and scroll down until you see the pink one right there, convert YouTube videos to MP3, and it's called Y2 Mate. Then you paste your link into the search bar thingy and press start, and it'll automatically find the video from the link that you just had. And you wait for it to come up, takes a little minute, and then you press freaking download thingy and press it again, and it's gonna bring it to some random thing. Just swipe out of that and go back, and then press download again if it doesn't come up the first time. Press download again, okay, and it should come up with that, and then press download. Once you download that, I don't know what just happened just now, but once you download that, you're gonna go into GarageBand. Turn your phone around so you can, see what I'm doing. And you're gonna press new project and go to audio recorder, and then you're gonna press like a whole bunch of lines thingy in the top left corner, so you can go to like that. And once you do that, you press like the little loop-de-loop button on the top right. Press the little loop-de-loop button. It's okay, there you go. And you swipe over to files. So mine was not saved. I don't know why I didn't save, so I had to go back and save it a couple of times to redo it. So yeah, y'all about to watch that real quick. Alright, so I finally figured it out. I don't know why it wasn't working, but once your thing downloads or whatever, it should come up in your files, and then it'll come up in GarageBand. Turn your phone again so you can see what I'm doing. And once that loads, you press it, you wait for it to load again, and it'll come up right at the top. And you kind of hold it, and then like drag it to the, like by the microphone thingy, and you could edit like where you want the song to stop and start and all that other stuff. And if you want to like edit the clip, you could just drag it forward and then drag it back so that way it could start at a certain point that you wanted to, like, you know what I'm saying, come on now. Anyways, that's all you have to do for that part. Then you press the down arrow button and go to my songs, and your song should be saved, or it should be saving. I don't even think you have to wait for it to save, but you hold it, press share, and then press the middle button that says ringtone. Ignore Carmelo again. You could save it as whatever the song name is. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna just save it as what the song is. Take it too long, girl. Come on, hurry up. Alright, you saved it, and it says that exporting as ringtone. And I'm pretty sure that's all you have to do. If you want, you could press use sound as, and you could assign it to a certain contact. And when you go to your settings, scroll down to sounds and all that other stuff, and go to ringtones, and you should see all your ringtones you have saved or that ringtone saved. So yeah, that's all you have to do.